Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make cake the Haitian way. Those are the ingredients we have. Here.
Butter, sugar, milk, eggs.
And we're going to also have flour, but I like to strain my flour just in case there's any bug in there, so I like to strain it. And we're going to add some rum, some vanilla extract, and what else we missed? So I have some lime zest. Those little green things are lime zest because I don't want to forget that. So the butter, I'm gonna be making it it's gonna be handmade. So the butter, we want the butter to be nice and soft. It's sticky now, so you have to beat it up until it sort of liquefy. Then you mix it with the sugar. The Haitian way, it's a lengthy process, but it comes out really good. So, and also with the eggs, you have to separate, I don't know if you can see, the white with the yellow. This is how we do it. Okay. First, we're gonna mix the yellow with all the dry ingredients. Then at the end, towards when it's basically towards the end, that's when you add the white one, and you have to whisk it like it comes out to like a mousse. That's when you add it. That's after you add everything else. Now I just added some sugar. A little bit more. I'm baking a cake. I want the cake to be nice and sweet. It's not time for dieting, but if you want to add less sugar, it's up to you. So it's sugar to taste. My daughter's doing a really good job mixing the butter and the sugar. You want it to be nice and creamy.
And good. Now I'm going to pour the eggs in there.
The butter and the milk.
And the milk. My mom can help me.
And then we're going to mix them.
So now my ingredients. I'm making a cake, guys. Want to smell? They're good, but don't touch it. You better going to drop it, but don't drop it, okay? No. But here's the cake.
So now as my daughter's mixing the cake, I'm mixing the egg white. And you want it to be fluffy like that. And then I'm gonna add some rum. It says like 2 tablespoons, but this is a little bit, probably 3 or 4 tablespoons. Alright. And then now I can add the egg white.
That's good, Mommy. The milk.
We're gonna butter the mold and then pour the cake batter in there. Make sure you preheat the oven, and I also added a pinch of salt because it brings out the sweetness of it, and a little bit of vanilla extract. What else?
This cake is ready.
Hey guys, now this is the final stage of the cake. It smells so good, and I'm sure my husband will really, really enjoy it.